Yo, what's going on? So you're joining me out here right now in the rice fields, cuz. We're out here in the rice fields, and you're probably wondering, hey bruv, why are you out here in the rice fields? Well, we're at Mike Racing today, cuz. So we're gonna go check out his brand new shop. There are JZXs everywhere, some in various conditions, more complete than others. But you know what I'm saying? Enough talking. Let's go check out Mike's shop, bruv. Jeez. So I'm here with my boy Rohab. This is Mira SX. And there is Randy's 1JZ 4-door R34. So we're here to pick up this S15 just here. But here you can see Mike's JZX 100 Mark II, his new one that he just built. It was pristine, but there was Matsuri yesterday. But yeah, if you look at it, is it locked? It's unlocked. Great. Again, everything's all stripped out. Just has the cage, bucket seat, regular seat for the passenger, and a dash. And the heating controls are up in there because that just has gauges in it with a hydro handbrake. Yeah, it's nice, simple, does the job. I'm not sure what engine's in it, but it's definitely powerful, that's for sure. And then we have two more JZXs just here. JZX 100 Chaser, all grey with a BN body kit, full body kit including the wide front fenders and rear fenders. And over here we have another 100, which is a Shalammed. Look at that, brother, it's tucking hard, fam. Yeah, nice, grey, doing the thing. And here we have another 100 Chaser just behind it. This one is on just some movable wheels at the minute, but this is the sunroof model. I'm assuming it's either has no engine or is gonna have something crazy soon. Alright, so it's just a shell for the minute, but it's got a nice little, I think this is an Origin silver carbon hood just here. Then we have a Toyota Progress just behind it. You know what I'm saying? And then behind there, we have a couple more things. Here's another one, JZX90 Cresta. This one, again, was pristine, but it was Matsuri yesterday, and this one was involved in an accident on the Nishi trains, because Nishi trains is how it is. Upside down intercooler. See, if the intercooler was at the original position, which would have been like around here, it would have been damaged, but because it was as far back, because the AC's been removed, it's actually okay, and, well, it looks okay. It's not broken or anything like that, which is good. Here's another JZX shell that they're probably just taking parts out of, whatever they need, just cutting pieces out. Yeah, just does the job. There's the rear of the Cresta, had a little tap in the rear too. Here's an S14 just there. At the back, that's Mike's paint booth. So he rolls cars in there, paints them up, paints anything that you need, because Mike is a bad one when it comes to paint. He likes doing sparkle and stuff like that. And if we bring it around to the front, then we see the main part of the workshop. So it's quite huge, bro. It's quite large. And it was probably some sort of factory or something. So here we have a super clean JZ100 Mark II. This is a Series 1, because you can see from the tail lights just there. But yeah, bro, it's nice. They're just doing a little refresh on it, on the 1J that's there. Bro, it's banging. It's good. You can see loads of spaces over there, because big body kits need big spaces. But yeah, this is super clean. It's automatic, but it is nice. And then behind that we have looks like a midnight purple sort of 100 Chaser with a Origin body kit. Maybe? Fenders Origin. Bumpers, side skirts, rear bumper BN Sports with the Fenders Origin. There's Mike. Hi, Mike. Hello. And yeah, so this is the Series 1 tail lights on the Mark II. But yeah, I love, bro, so this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is like an Origin cutout that you cut out and put onto a factory bonnet. And I love it, bro. It makes it look so aggressive and so nice. Yeah, let's go have a look at the inside. So yeah, so it's an automatic with a Godzilla on the dash. Yeah, bro, it is nice. Probably came in for the paint job, because that's what Mike does. And some big boy wheels on it too. And then here we have another JZX. This one is a Chaser, if I'm not mistaken, just with a 1J. And it's probably going through a transformation process. Mike does a lot of reshells and can build cars up from the ground up as well. There's the back of that Chaser just there. We have a couple of engines. There's a non-VVTi 1J, another non-VVTi 1J. I think this is a 1G, came out with the GX100. I think it's just been removed for a reshell probably. Some transmissions and other parts just there. That looks like a 1JZ turbo just there as well. Yeah, but see, it's a Chaser with all the parts in the back. And here we have Mike's OG car. If I'm not mistaken, this is a JZX 900 is what it's called. And it's called that because Let me swing it around. So it's a JZX 100 Chaser front, and if we take it round to the back, we can see that it is a JZX 100 rear as well. But if we look inside the car, it's actually a JZX 90, bro. Yeah, so lovingly calls it a JZX 900. He used it in a JIDC not too long ago, which was like a pretty big event in Japan. I think Naoki won that. So here are some more parts over here. Headlights, tail lights, Sylvia stuff as well, S13 stuff, wheels and body kits everywhere. There's another project. So this was a 100 that was in the Bisu car, and Mike took it and reshot it into another car, and this was driven by Project 86 guys with Gobler and the rest of his boys. So they drove that. This is what the old car looks like, and obviously you can tell it was an OG because it actually has the G1 GP banner, which was probably back in 18 was the last one they ran. 19 was the last time they ran that. So yeah, so it's been lovingly been tapped probably on Minami or something, and then possibly this will be North Course or something. I don't know what they hit, but something big. So that reshow has been completed. You would have seen that car on probably some of my videos at Matsuri. Yeah. In the back just has some spare parts, some spare doors. That's an S14 door, some fenders, loads of wheels and parts. Bruv, it's nice. Oh, there's some engines over there in the corner. What's that? There's a 2J VVTi over there in the corner, and there's a SR20. There's probably something else underneath there, underneath that foil and wrapped up. But yeah, bruv, it's nice. There's a little memento just there. As you can see, it's broken on the bottom. But yeah, bruv, it is nice. It's my first time coming to it. Oh, here's some diffs. I didn't even notice this. There's a 4.6 Tome there, 4.1, 3.9, 3.7. There's a stock log manifold there. These have got parts everywhere, bruv. Just has JZX and even Sylvia stuff just everywhere. You get me? It's my first time to Mike's shop, and it's nice. It's a lot bigger than his last one. His last one was a lot smaller. This one's quite large. You get me? It's banging, bruv. But yeah, bruv. Obviously on the weekend just gone, Mike over there, he killed it, fam. He went hard. Him and his boys were out in this car just here, and the other car right at the back too, and that one just there. I think he had two. Sorry, he had this one just here, the 90 Cresta, and he had the 100 Mark II. He was out on both of those on the weekend. Him and his boys were killing it. That 100 Mark II is crazy fast, bro. Crazy fast. But yeah, you get me. Yeah, like I said, first time here. It's just out in the middle of nowhere, bro. So like, you probably won't get that many noise complaints, but it's nice that he's got a bigger shop than what he used to have. He does great for like paint stuff and all like other manner of things. He does work for loads of other people and stuff like that. But Migration's the guy, you get me. But yeah, cuz, hit that like button, subscribe, do all that jazz, and your boy will catch you next time. Jeez. Man, I'm loving this. Look at that, bro. Look at all them cars just there. Oh my goodness.